So how is your customer data? Is it organized? Do you know if you have a cell phone or a landline? Are you asking when you're putting a new customer in the system? How about a valid email address? What about an accurate street address? And finally, do you have accurate records on how each customer came to you? Do you know how they got to you? Are you tracking any of this data? If not, get started. Have someone in your office focus on cleaning up your database. You also need a call script so you know whether you're getting a cell phone or you have a landline. Those things are going to be critically important. And yes, you need an email address. And instead of asking someone, do you have an email address you want to give us, which the answer is always going to be no, just say, which email address can I send the confirmation to? That's it. It's that simple. It really is. 95% of the time, you're going to get an answer. Have someone in your office focus on cleaning up your database over the next 90 days, preferably inside of a CRM. Hi, I'm Max from Max Out Creative. Whether you're working with a modest budget or investing heavily, we find smart, creative ways to make every marketing dollar count. Today, I want to talk about something every small business needs to prepare for: the shift from chasing leads to predicting them. Marketing is changing fast, as you know. AI is everywhere, and businesses that adapt early will win. Have you ever heard of predictive marketing? It's old news to Amazon and big corporations, and the biggest of the big. It's a big opportunity for small businesses, however. Predictive marketing uses data and behavior patterns to forecast which prospects are most likely to buy and when. Instead of guessing, you can see where your best opportunities are, even with your small business. If someone's been to your pricing page twice or opened up 2 emails and maybe clicked a schedule link, that's a clear signal. Those are all clear signals. And your CRM should flag that instantly. That's where the Max Out Creative CRM comes in. It can score leads, trigger automations, and alert your team the moment someone's ready to take action, just like many CRMs today. This data is so critically important. AI-driven tools are being baked into these CRMs, and they're getting more and more powerful and more affordable. The big players already use predictive systems, and soon small businesses can too. In fact, we can set that up for some of our customers right now. If you can see which leads are hot before they call, you can save time, close faster, and spend smarter, right? Predictive marketing isn't just for big corporations anymore. The technology is finally within reach for local businesses, even right here in Central Florida. Now let me step on your toes a bit. If your customer data is a total mess, you'll need to get that cleaned up, or this won't work. I've seen a lot of small businesses' customer data. Some of them in CRMs, which they don't use the CRM for anything other than basically a glorified Rolodex. In most cases, it's a disaster. They don't hold anyone accountable, and some key bits of information are missing, like the point on is it a cell phone or a landline? That makes a big difference when you're using AI automations, right? It makes a big difference because you're not going to be able to text a landline. That's the biggest one. To make predictive marketing work for you, you need to start by preparing now, laying the groundwork. Like we talked about, organize your data, get your contact lists clean and consistent. Add scoring triggers in your CRM. You're like, what are you talking about? CRMs built on the high-level platform already have this, but you can award points when someone opens emails, visits your website, or fills out a form. Automate the first follow-up so every hot lead gets a fast human response. Even if it's on the weekend, split up the weekends, seriously, or after hours. Split it up. If you're going to live in a box where you say, nope, we only take calls from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, everybody else can leave a message. Okay. But recognize that we live in an 8-second world. Those that are able to respond to customers 24/7, 365, they're going to win, flat out. Watch the data. After a few weeks, you'll see patterns that tell you who's most likely to buy. It's pretty cool. You don't need big budgets, just visibility, just better visibility. You'll know predictive marketing is working when your CRM starts telling you who to call first. The time is here right now. You'll spend less time chasing bad leads and more time talking to people who are ready to buy or book your service. When small businesses adopt this mindset, they stop reacting and start anticipating, and that's what separates the businesses that barely keep up with the ones that will be way out in front, the leaders. So don't just wait until next year to play catch up. Start using the tools you already have, especially inside your CRM. And if you don't have a CRM, you need one. That way you can predict your next customer before your competitors do. This stuff is real. It's available to you right now. If you're not willing to clean up your customer database and utilize a CRM, then it's not going to work, so you can just hit delete. Just remember, answering forms and voicemails the next day or 3 days later, if it's on a Friday, that's going to cost you. It is going to catch up with you. It really will. I promise you that. Your competitors employing AI automations, they're going to win. I'm Max from Max Out Creative. Let's stop chasing leads and start predicting them. Doesn't that sound great? Sounds better, doesn't it?